Hi everyone. I was looking around the house and I found an assortment of things from string to pipe cleaners and a few rocks. And I thought I'm going to show you how to make something out of string and a box from the recycle bucket. So stay tuned. This could be a centerpiece or maybe a gift the kids can even give the grandparents. So here's what you can do with a little bit of string and a few things around the house. Really cute, would look fantastic on a fireplace mantle, or it's good for a little gift to give. So make sure you keep following us at PSP Kingston on social media. PSP Kingston, the health and wellness provider for the military community.